Alright, so this is my 2002 Ford Explorer Sport Trac. Doing a exhaust startup video today. Just got a brand new tip put on, and it's got a 30-inch Magnaflow glass pack that runs into the factory cats, and everything up front is still factory. So let's set this up for you guys. We're gonna do a couple of 2K revs, 4K revs, and one or two up to 6. Alright, so there it is, and so you can see got a custom cold air intake that I did myself, and it's got a Super Chips flash pack tuner on it, which is the reason why I can rev it up to 6K in park. And it's tuned up a little bit, but not a whole lot. It's all self-done, but here she is. So you guys let me know what you think.